A gift for the man who gave us everything, Dad. Happy Father's Day. Hi folks, welcome back to Craft and Canvas. In today's video, we are making a DIY trophy gift box. To get started, download and print the templates. There's a link in the description box below. First up, the trophy cup holder. You will need two cutouts, one for the outside and one for the inside. Fold along the lines as per the instructions on the template. Apply glue, stick the two together, and then glue the flaps to form a cup shape. Here's how it should look. Next is the trophy cup base. Fold along the lines. Glue the flaps and stick them into place. Easy and satisfying. Moving on to the trophy cup handles. You will need 4 of these. Glue 2 together for each side so they are nice and sturdy. Now for the trophy cup pillar, fold the flap, flip the paper, apply the glue on the edge, and stick to form a circular column. Next, the trophy cup stand. Fold the flaps, glue them in place, and don't forget to fold the bottom flaps too. This will support the entire structure. Then we have the gift box itself. Fold all the flaps, glue and stick them to form the box. You will need 2 of them, one for the bottom and one for the lid. Once all your templates are ready, it's time to assemble. Start by attaching the cup holder to its base, then connect the pillar. Add the handles by making a small cut at the opposite ends of the cup as shown in the video. Make cuts at the bottom flap of the pillar and attach the stand. And finally, stick the entire trophy to your gift box. Now it's ready for finishing touch. Decorate it however you like to make it truly personal. And there you have it, your own DIY trophy gift box for Father's Day. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative DIYs every week. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.